Hey, excuse me, guys.
Yeah.
Could I get your best sound effect? Yeah, just your best sound effect you got. That was pretty good.
I'll just be in the gym and
That was
being frustrated.
Dude, yeah, I can see that. Okay, can I get your best sound effect?
I have no idea what to do.
Just give me your best. Just give me your best one.
I'm Romanian, so if you want to hear things in Romanian, Cristina, ce faci?
That's pretty good. What does that mean?
Cristina, what are you doing?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. She probably says that a lot.
Yeah, all the time.